Bam! Bitch! This is how we cook it. There's pepper and salt and shit like this. Grind that shit like this. Pop it when you pop. When you're grinding, you gotta pop it. Put some pepper in it. Grind it, bitch. Do it, baby.
You know what's going on YouTube, right?
Yeah. Hey, we cooking. Put some adobo. Apparently Mexicans translated this over from Mexico.
Translated?
They transported too. Bam! Right in the kitchen. All up in the chicken grill. Walk can walk. So you put a chicken in a wok and put a seasoning on it. Do not touch a testicle. Testicle is not the clean thing to touch and touch a food. You wash your hands advance without touching testicle. If you got to go pee, just do a wide open hold pee. No, hold it. Just like shake and aim. Like use your butt and your pelvis bone when you pee the toilet. Don't touch the penis. The penis is dirty from the girl last night. We don't know what happened. But anyway, so this is how we do this. Do not touch the testicle.
Like an Arab/Chinese, like an accent coming out over there.
Oh, you like to hum ginseng roots. When you cook your wok, you do not talk too much. This smells like chicken. Wait a minute, it is chicken.
Oh, man.
You hear you?